Oh, you had him.
Damn, that's too bad, Holmes.
Yo, calm down, sir.
Take it easy, papa. Yeah, so,
Vamos al pozo, no? Let's go to al pozo.
bro, we gotta win this, bro. I'm serious, bro.
Dude, you serious?
I'm freaking serious, dude. Like,
Who talk? Hakigo? What? Or the king taking lives?
Lo
Who has a mic?
necesito.
Yeah, Mike taking lives. Black Lives Matter.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Fine, dude. How are you? How are you, my friend?
Bien.
I speak very good
Bien.
English.
Speaking English.
Oh, we speak English now.
Yeah, we speak English, Holmes. What's up? You Texas people are pretty aggressive. We Kansas, we do things a little bit smarter.
We give them the corn. Hell no, just run right through it, bro.
So where are we going?
We're gonna go right here. Shut your engine.
So much for
Oh,
shutting.
shut your engine. God, talking about. Wow.
Loot it. Good job, Tay Wong.
Thank you, thank you.
We gotta go.
Where you going?
That's cool.
Gotta go get a haircut, dog.
Oh,
Got
chinga.
an appointment.
Car, get in the car.
I'm gonna go right here. There's people right here. I think there's loots right here. Kill people in here. There's loot.
Oh, I hear a C4 somewhere. Dude, someone's trying to kill me.
Hey, car dog, you want my weapon? I'm leaving.
Alright.
SKS for the sec.
Okay. Coming.
No, but that made my heart skip a little bit.
Hey, right here.
That's what I was looking for.
I'm out. I gotta go, gentlemen. It's alright.
Be careful, we're probably close to other people.
There's a truck here. There's a truck here. There's probably people in that building, dude. Number 4. I got a guy right here.
Where at?
Got him. Stop shooting. got another guy.
Damn, we gotta run that way.
Take off your shoes or something. Be quiet. Be as quiet as you can. We got the circle. 3 versus 2. We got this. Let's not get bunched up in by pairs of two. Spread out, spread out. Everybody spread out, spread out. We got this, guys.
See one.
Go up. Oh.
It's on top of that hill. Fuck. It's on Zoo himself.
Okay. Spread out. Stay right there. Or spread out, dude. He's coming this way. I can hear his footsteps.
Ah! Just leave me to die, dude. Y'all got this. Nice. Good job.
Thank you, thank you.